This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Terry Osborne. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage is completely turnkey and ready for its new owners. With over 1,500 square feet of living space, this home features vaulted ceilings, an open floor plan, and a spacious vaulted screened lanai that overlooks the serene lake, providing plenty of privacy. A brand new roof will be installed before closing, ensuring peace of mind for the future homeowner. The HVAC system was replaced in 2015, and the seller is leaving everything, including the car. This makes it an incredible opportunity for first-time home buyers or those looking for a fantastic rental property. Offering amazing value for the price, this home is truly a must-see. For more information, review the